it's me you'll see, yeah. And then I kiss your eyes, and thank God we're together. I just wanna stay.
Hey everybody, so I'm gonna finally do my apartment tour, so let's get started. Okay, so just gonna walk to my apartment. This one is my apartment. Okay, so when you first come in, there's this small little gang con, and then I have stairs that go all the way up. So this is my mailbox, and then this is the delivery box. So I'm just gonna lock the door. And then there's a light at the bottom of the stairs here, so that you can turn off the hall stairs lights when you leave. So we'll just go up. Okay, so like the first thing that you see when you come up the stairs is this door here. This door here is the toilet room. So yes, I do have one of those fancy bidet toilets that the seat is warm. So in this winter, your bum is nice and toasty. And then it also has a bidet area where you can actually clean the bottom. And like most Japanese toilets, there's a hand washing thing when you flush the toilet. It recycles the water through the tank before it goes in, so you can rinse your hands here. And then I have small storage, and if you notice, it is a step up into the toilet room. And the light is on the outside. And then if you turn to the left, this hallway, whoops, sorry. This hallway here, this is my washer. I have storage here and also beside the washer. And then beside the toilet room and then in between is my shower room. Once again, step up. Also, if you ever get a Leopalace like this, get a bath mat that goes in front of the door so that when you come out, when you're sopping wet, you can dry your feet. So yeah, typical Japanese toilet or shower room. And then the fan at the top there where the bar is, you can actually hang clothes over there when it's rainy or it's winter and it's not very warm out. You can use this as a dryer. And then the control panel is here. So this one is just drying, this one is ventilating, and then this is like how many hours you want it to go, and then this is the start to turn everything off. Yeah, so that is it. So then we turn around, and then this is the kitchen area. So the stairs are here, and then this is the kitchen area. So, so when you get your Leopalace apartment, it will come similar to like this if you do have the same layout. So the sink and then the stove, it's a 2-burner stove. I'm just making dinner right now. And then there's storage underneath here that I sort of have stuff under. And then I actually had to buy this shelf, assemble it from Daiso. And so all of this I bought, and the rice cooker and all of the utensils and all of that. Same with this thing, it's magnetic to the sink. So I had to buy that. And then behind is I got a trash bin, just because trash smells, obviously. This door here is actually supposed to be your shoe closet, but I only have like 4 pairs of shoes, and so at the bottom of the gang con, on the last step, there is a like shelving inside, so I have my 4 pairs of shoes lined up in there. So I never bring my shoes in. So I use actually this as a pantry cupboard for all of my groceries, extra garbage bags, sink filters, and I have Ziploc bags under here and stuff. And then also more shelving on top, microwave and fridge with the garbage schedule for the year. And yeah, I'm thinking about, because I bought a rice cooker, I'm thinking about getting a toaster oven and doing some toaster oven things. So then you go through this door here, and then this is my like living room slash bedroom. So yeah, so lots of storage. I'm sorry, it's kind of messy in here. The table comes with 2 chairs. Yeah. And then it's actually a fairly decent sized room. I sit here with the full-size mirror and I do my makeup here on the floor. And then the window. Then I just have my extra duvet just for the winter, but it's obviously spring right now, so it's kind of hot. And then I just have shelving, or pretty good storage space for 2 storage rooms. So I mean, not bad. And then obviously, of course, this is the loft style, Leo style apartments. So there is the 2 steps, and yeah, you kind of do need to use them just to get into bed because it's kind of tall. But I'm fairly short, so like it comes up to right about here on me, and I'm 5'2", so yeah, I'm pretty short, so I do have to use the steps to crawl into bed, but I don't mind it. I know a lot of people rather try to like jump off this edge and try to get out of bed, but I don't mind climbing down to get out of bed, so it's pretty much your preference. So with the bed, I tried to Google search this a lot, but like the size of the bed is a little bit weird versus like North American standards. So this is considered a single loft style bed, but it's not the same size as a single in North America. It's actually a little bit wider than a typical North American bed, I believe. So anyways, you'll have to get a futon because this does not come with a futon. And if you are used to sleeping on a regular sized bed that's framed and everything, sleeping on a futon is definitely different. It is, I want to say that it's kind of uncomfortable. This thing is pretty hard for a bed. So when I first got the futon, I got the futon and then I got like the mattress pad cover to pretty much keep the futon clean. So then I just have to clean this most often and then clean this every once in a while. But then because it was so different sleeping on such a hard surface, I actually got a foam mattress pad that I put underneath my futon, and it like 100% way better. But I also, from home, I brought this blanket that I vacuum sealed into my luggage, and then I also brought my pillow with me just because I don't know, comfort. So I brought my own pillow, and then this pink pillow and the futon and the duvet came as a set that I purchased together, and it was like, it wasn't that bad. It was, I want to say it was $50 for the entire set altogether. Yeah, so that is pretty much it for the room tour. Like, if you want to know any specifics based off of how I furnished my apartment and where I went to go buy stuff, leave a comment down below and I will make a new video based off of what you guys want to see. Other than that, pretty much chilling. It's pretty cool. The view of my apartment is decent, but I do have neighbors behind me. So I'll just show you the view real quick. So this is the view outside the window. If you guys have any more questions about a Leopalace apartment, just let me know, and I can definitely make a new video for you guys. I'm hoping to do more vlog styles for this channel based off of me living here in Japan. I've officially been living here in Japan for over a month now, and so I'm pretty excited, and I want to show you what it's like here. So after I'm being in school for about 2 weeks now, I want to say I have a pretty good schedule. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up in the comments down below, and I